Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm making a summer chill creamy rice dessert, rich, smooth and perfectly refreshing for hot days. A simple homemade dessert with a royal taste. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup polao rice. Soak for 15 minutes. Rice desserts are popular in many cultures. Then wash well. Pour into a blender and blend coarsely. Blend rice coarsely, not too fine. Keep aside. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons water. Now add 2 liters of milk. Keep stirring. Let it boil. Now add the blended rice. Stir continuously to avoid sticking. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Add some saffron. Saffron adds color and aroma. One teaspoon ghee. Mix well. Cook on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring continuously. Cook until the rice becomes soft and the milk thickens. Add 1 cup sugar. Mix well. Slow cooking gives a rich and creamy texture. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Remove from heat and let it cool. Chill before serving for best taste. Garnish with raisin, dry fruits and saffron. Milk provides calcium and protein. Rice gives energy and fullness. Dry fruits add vitamins and healthy fats. Homemade desserts are more hygienic. Your creamy rice dessert is ready. Serve chill and enjoy the rich taste. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Foods for more delicious recipes.